Hey guys, so if you have oil light flashing, it might be related to oil pressure switch, and on different Subarus it might be in different places, but often it's on the top of the engine, somewhere like here or maybe there. In my case it's here. Okay guys, so here we have Subaru Legacy 2013, and it has oil light flashing, and it's quite easy to troubleshoot. It's referred to oil pressure switch, also known like oil light switch. And if you look closely here, you already see oil spot, and that thing is all oiled. Supposedly this car has two oil sensors, one here at the top. It has two wires coming to it, and this one has only one wire coming to it, one terminal. So I will remove it, and we will see how it goes. Okay. Okay guys, to remove the old one I used 15/16. This is the failed oil switch. And here I have a new one. If we compare sizes, it's a bit bigger than the old one, but hopefully it will work better. Okay guys, this is the oil pressure switch installed. We've plugged the wire. Thank you for watching. Please press on like button.